If you don't know English, this video is also available in Hindi. Link is in description. Now let's start the video. Guys, this is the cloud computing series going on and I have already uploaded 8 videos before this particular video. So link is in description. So in our previous videos, guys, we have already discussed IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Okay, these are very important concepts, guys. If you don't know, just first of all watch these concepts and the link is in the description. And we have also studied, guys, cloud computing architecture, advantages and disadvantages, and so on. Many videos I have made. So link of all those videos is in description. And if you know Hindi, do check out my Hindi channel, guys. I'm sure you will love the content. I have uploaded a lot of playlists over there. I'll tell you at the end of the video. Now let's start. Guys, the cloud computing applications are almost everywhere, right? I have written a few over here. We'll discuss these things and there can be many others also. Now let's start. First of all, the first one is business applications, right? Now guys, every organization requires a cloud business application to grow their business nowadays, right? Suppose for an example, a person is there and he or she wants to open a company. So they'll always, and for an example, let's say there are 20 employees in their company. They have hired 20 employees and now they want to start their company. So what will happen is they'll have to purchase the 20 computers, so that will cost them a lot, right? And they'll have to maintain the softwares and so on. So the best way will be they will take the help of a cloud service provider and they'll take 20 virtual machines and they can start their own business. Okay, so business application, this can be a one example, right? This can be one example and there can be many more examples as well. Like there is a startup and they want to give some services, so they can like make their whole company on the cloud infrastructure itself. Okay, so that is the scenario. Now for an example, there are a few examples I've written over here, like PayPal. This is your use for your safe payments, right? And there is also Salesforce, guys, using this technology. Okay, basically it provides tools for e-commerce, sales, etc. And if you want to grow your business, then Salesforce is a very good platform for you. Okay, so if you don't know what is Salesforce, that's not a problem. Okay, but as of now, just remember that Salesforce can like increase your business very much. So it provides us various facilities and a lot of facilities are there, right? So as of now we are not discussing this. We'll discuss this in separate video if we will make some cloud Salesforce series. Okay, then afterwards. So basically this is the scenario of your business application. Next one is your data storage and backup applications, guys. Now basically if your data is stored in a particular cloud application, for an example your Google Drive, right? We store our data in Google Drive, or we also use Geo Cloud, right? So these are some of the service providers, and if we are saving our data in these drives, Google Drive or somewhere, so we can access the data anytime. Like if my mobile is lost and if I want to fetch the data from my Google Drive, I can do that, right? So that is a data storage facility also. And if my mobile is lost, then I can like fetch the backup also, right? So that is the scenario. We can store our files, data, images and audios and so on. Next one is your educational applications. So guys, online distance learning platforms are also growing very fast nowadays, right? For an example, let's take a general example, that is the AWS in your education. So here you can learn about the cloud services and so on, and it also provides various cloud services. You can search Amazon Web Services on the Google platform. Okay, now another one is Chromebook for education, and the next one is Google Documents, and that is a service provided by Google itself. And there can be many examples, more examples as well. Okay, so I have written some famous ones. Now the next one is entertainment applications also, like if we are doing online gaming or we are using the video conferencing apps, and that is also an application of what, cloud computing only. Now guys, the next one is art applications. So cloud computing offers various types of art applications for quickly and easily designing attractive cards, booklets and images. Okay, so there are, guys, many platforms that offers you to make, like if you want to make a card, or if you want to convert a particular file into some other format, or if you want to convert a video into some other format, or if you want to edit a video, right? So there are many softwares that are available online. So these are some of the art applications, or you can say the video software applications also, right? So one such example is MoO, that is a cloud art application, guys, which is basically used for designing your business cards. Okay, so this is one more example. Now the most common example that can be understood by any student is like your social media applications, like we are using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Okay, so these are also the applications of your cloud computing only. Okay, so these services are provided to us and we are just logging in into the website or in the app and we are using those services. Okay, so this is also a application of cloud computing. Guys, these are some of the important playlists on my Hindi channel. So I have uploaded the best lectures of compiler design, cryptography and network security. I'm sure you will love the content, guys. If you know Hindi, do check that. I can guarantee you will love the content, seriously. And I've also uploaded links for interviews, Java interview series, interview preparation videos, how to prepare for Infosys, what is Hack with Infi, how can you crack that particular competition and so on. So many videos I have uploaded. They are some of the playlists. More than 325 videos are uploaded on that channel, guys. So do check that. I'm sure you will love the content. And if you want the regular video updates, you can join my Telegram channel and you can also follow me on Instagram. That's it. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.